Hello students, myself Vijay Bhadoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Today I am explaining you question number 9 from question number 9 of exercise 2.5. Now let's see question number 9. Here verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Take RHS. Take this side. From these two sides take RHS. RHS is x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. RHS is x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. Multiply of x in both three terms and multiply y in both three terms. So x into x square minus xy plus y square plus and y into x square minus xy plus y square. X into x square minus xy plus y square and plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. X into x square x cube, x into xy x square y plus minus minus x into y square xy square, y into x square y x square, y into xy x y into y square xy square. Here it is minus, so here it is minus. Y into y square y cube, xy cube xy square and xy square will be 0, and x square y xy square plus x square xy square minus, it will be 0, and x square y minus and x square y plus, it will be also 0, so it will remain x cube plus y cube. This is your LHS. So we have proved RHS equal to LHS. Now do the same in the second question. You have to prove x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. Take RHS x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. Product of these x into x square plus xy plus y square and y minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So x into x square x cube, x into xy x square y, x into y square xy square. Here it is minus, so all the sign will multiply will be changed. Y into x square y x square, y into xy square xy square, y into y square y cube. Here it is minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. X square y here it is x square y of plus and x square y of minus, it will be 0. Xy square is plus and xy square is minus, so it will be also 0. So it will remain only x cube minus y cube. Okay, so we have proved RHS equal to LHS. Now see the question number 10. Factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following. Okay. Factorize each of the following. 27y cube plus 125z cube. 125z cube. It is 27y cube plus 125z cube. You can 27y cube plus 125z cube write as, you can write 27y cube as 3y whole cube and 125z cube as 5z whole cube. A cube plus b cube. What is the value of a cube plus b cube? What is the identity? A cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. You will use this identity in this question. Okay. A cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, a plus b, a because a is 3y and b is 5z. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. 3y plus 5z, 3y square is 9y square, 3 5s are 15yz and 5z square is 25z square. Now see this question, 64m cube minus 343n cube. You can write 64m cube as 4m whole cube and 343n cube as 7n whole cube. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is the identity for a cube minus b cube? Is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is the identity. You will use this identity in this question. So a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, because in place of a there is 4m, and in place of b is there is 7n. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b is 4m square is 16m square, 4 into 7 28 mn, 7 square is 49, n square is n square. Okay, now see the question number 11. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Okay, you can write 27x cube as 3x cube, y cube as y whole cube, z cube as z whole cube. You can write 9xyz as 3 into 3x into y into z. Okay, and you are having the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, minus ca or ac, or ac. Okay, so this is in the identity form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the identity? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, 3x plus y plus z, 3x square is 9x square, y square is y square, z square is z square, 3xy, yz, 3xz. This is the solution for the question number 11. Very easy. This is, you can write 27x cube as 3x whole cube, 3x whole cube, y cube you can write as y cube, z cube you can write as z cube. Okay, and 9xyz you can write 3 into 3x into y into z, because product of these is 9xyz. This is then the identity. Now in the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the identity? A plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. And this is the solution: a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, because in place of a there is 3x, in place of b there is, in place of a is 3x, in place of b is y, in place of z is c. Okay, in place of c is z, in place of b is y, in place of a is 3x. You will put the value of these in the identity and you will get your answer. Now see the question number 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, x and x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Let the identity is given: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Identity is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Identity is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zs. Now multiply second bracket by 2 and divide outside by 2 8. Means you have to multiply in this, in the RHS, you have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 upon 2 into 2 upon 1 upon 2, 2 will 1, there is no effect on this. So 2 cut, so x plus y plus 2 into 2 upon 2, x plus y, there is no factor, 1 upon 2 as it is, and you have to multiply this by whole by 2. Multiply this whole by 2. So 2, here it will be 2x square, here it will be 2y square, here it will be, multiply this 2 in this whole, not in this. You have to multiply 2 only in the whole this. So 2 into x square 2x square, 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into z square 2z square, 2xy 2yz 2zx. Okay, left x plus y plus z upon 2 as it is. Okay, 2x square you can write x square split x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2xy. You can write 2x square as x square plus x square, y square plus 2y y square plus y square, plus 2z square as z square plus z square, minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, so you can write x square plus y square minus 2xy in this bracket, x square plus y square minus 2xy in this bracket, and y square plus z square, y square plus z square minus 2yz in this bracket. Okay, and x square plus z square, x square plus z square, x square plus z square minus 2zx in this bracket. This is the identity x square plus y square minus 2x minus y whole square. This is the identity y minus z whole square, because y square plus z square minus 2yz is a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square, because a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. This identity is using in all the threes. Z square plus x square minus 2zx, you can write z minus x whole square. Okay, and this you have to prove. This was you have to prove. Okay, now this is your answer that is to come. Now see question number 13. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. We have x plus y plus z equal to 0. X plus y equal to shift z that side, it will be 0 minus z. Shift z that side. So what will happen? X plus y equal to 0 minus z, x plus y equal to minus z. So x plus y equal to minus z. On cubing both side means cube the both sides, so implies that x plus y whole cube equal to minus z whole cube. On cubing what will happen? X plus y whole cube equal to minus z cube. X plus a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, and z cube is z cube, because here it is minus, so it will be minus. Now you can put minus z in place of minus z x plus y, because minus z is x plus y, so here you can put in place of x plus y you will put minus z. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in place of x plus y, here it is minus z, so we are putting here minus z, and here it is minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to shift, bring minus z cube this side, so it will be plus, and shift this the RHS, so it will be plus. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now our next question is question number 14. Without actually calculating the cubes, and find the values of each of the following. Without actually calculating the cube, which means you do not have to cube of these terms, and you have to find the values of each of the following. How will you find without cubing? This is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A cube plus b cube c cube. A is minus 12, b is 7, and c is 5. A plus b plus c is a is minus 12, b is 7, and c is 5. So minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 minus 12 as it is, 7 plus 5 12, minus 12 plus 12 0. And we know that a plus b, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, as we have proved in above question. Here it is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. We have proved, so we use this identity in this question. So a plus b plus c is 0, so we then a cube plus b cube plus c cube, as it is here it was x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Here we are using a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. You can use this, minus a cube is a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. You will use this identity here. Okay, because a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc. Will be 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. Okay, value of this you can solve by this method. Okay, so use this in this. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, and multiply these, you will get your answer minus 1260. Now see the next part. Next part, it is 28 cube minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Here it is a is 28, b is, because a cube plus b cube, this is in the same form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A is 28, b is minus 15, c is minus 13. So a plus b plus c equal to a is 28 plus minus 15 is minus 13. You will solve this, it will come 0. So use the identity a plus, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, as we do in the first part. Do it the same, and it will answer, you will come your 16380. Now our next question is question number 15. Question number 15. Give possible expression for the length and breadth of the each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Areas are 25a square minus 35a plus 12, 30, and second part is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. You have to find the length and breadth of the, this is the area of the rectangle and this is also the area of the rectangle. You have to find dimension, means area of rectangle is, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. What is the area of rectangle? It is length into B. We use this identity. First we have to factorize these, and then we will get our answer. Now area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Factorize this. 25a square, 35a, you can write minus 20 and minus 15a plus 12. 25a square as it is, you can write minus 35a as minus 20a minus 15a and plus 12 as it is. Take common from these two, 5a. 5a is common, so here it is dividing on, it will come 5a, and here it will come 4. And take common 3 from these two, minus 3. Here it will, on dividing by minus 3, it will come 5a, and dividing by this by minus 3, it will come minus 4. Okay, so these are same, 5a minus 5a minus 4. So 5a minus 4 take common, and 5a minus 3 will remain. So these are the factors. So possible expression for length and breadth are 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. And simply means you have to factorize this and you will get your answer. Okay. Now second is 35y square plus 13y, area of rectangle is given. What is the area? 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay, factorize this, 35y square as it is, you can write 13y as 28y minus 15y minus 12. Okay, now factorize this, take common from these two, 7y on dividing this by 7y, we will get 5y, and dividing this by 7y, we will get 4, 5y plus 4. Take common from these two, 3, minus 3 take common. Here it will, on dividing by minus 3, it will come 5y. Dividing this by minus 3, it will come 4. 5y plus 4. Here it is 5y plus 4. Here it is 5y plus 4. So take common from these two, 5y plus 4. Here it will come 7y. Here it will come minus 3. 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. So length into breadth. So possible expression for length and breadth are 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. Okay. Now see the last question of the exercise. What are the possible expression for dimension of cuboid whose volumes are given? Possible expression, cube, volume of cube is volume of cube equal to L into B into H, L into B into H. Okay, length into breadth into height. Volume is given 3x square minus 12x. Take common from these two. 3x square minus 12x. Take common from these two, 3x. Okay, here it will dividing this by 3x, it will come x, and here it will come 4. So possible dimensions are 3. Here this is mistake in the question. Possible dimensions are 3 comma x and x minus 4. Okay, because there are 3 terms in the cube. Volume of cube, length, breadth, height. So length, breadth, height. Okay, it may be length, it may be length, it may be length, but there will be. So possible dimensions are 3 comma x and x minus y. Now our last question is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Factor, take common from this term 4k. It will come 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Factorize this, you will get 4k as common. Okay, 3y on taking 4k common, here it will come 4 dividing by 4k, it will come 3y square, dividing by 4k it will come 2y, dividing by 4k it will come 5. Factorize 3y square plus 2y minus 5, 3y square plus 2y minus 5 as 3y square as it is, 2y, 5y minus 3y is 2y, and minus 5 as it is. Take common from these 2y, so 3y plus 5. Take common from these two, minus 1, 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. So take common from these two y, here it will come 3y plus 5. Take common from these minus 1, here it will come 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. Now factors are y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. I hope you can factorize this. This is the factorization of y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. So 4k, y minus 1, 3. So possible dimensions are 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5 for this. I hope you understand, and now thank you and have a good day for you.